Hello, friends. Last week, I returned to the Friday Social and received some great feedback about my latest updates. Big thanks to everyone on that call for their advice and encouragement. Today, I want to respond to some great feedback I got from Craig, better known as Fuzzy Bunny. He mentioned that he would love to pay for access to weekly chats with a small group plus an Angular GDE, but he doesn't want to talk about mental health. He wants to talk about Angular architecture. Fair enough. Well, I stand by the importance of the support space, which, by the way, had its first group meeting this week, which was a huge success, and I highly recommend this space. I also wholeheartedly agree with Craig that we need a space for architectural discussions, like share your screen and show me the problem discussions. That's why I created this whole place to begin with, to be honest. Teaching architecture is more than a blog post. It's easier with a live discussion and space for questions. The guys in the support space are also Angular architects. So I shared Craig's comment with them in our group meeting on Monday, and they totally agreed. I also support Craig's idea, and I see a lot of people even today joining Angular Nation looking for personal guidance for Angular architecture. I had come back online planning 5 spaces in total, and I opened the support space early because I saw the need for it. The expert space has been going strong for a year already. We've had some amazing discussions with the Angular team, Cypress, Storybook, RxJS, StackBlitz, Cloudflare, the TC39 committee, and I've recently started reaching out to invite more experts back to visit us. So those 2 spaces are already open. The architect space, in my mind, was meant for later for my architect training alumni, but hey, if y'all want it open now, I can make that happen. However, remember my lesson from last week. I can't help everyone for free anymore. So how do we price this? Craig suggested $5 a month for everybody, which would be super easy for anyone to afford. But I've tried that, and for me, that's not enough of a commitment. If 25 people sign up, I'll only make $125 a month. Angular Nation expenses are up to $500 a month, so I'd still be losing money without help from AG Grid. For $125 a month, I can make like 1 new video each month with general Angular tips, but that's not going to motivate me to do much more. At $5 a month, I would need 1,000 people to support the platform and myself, but I can't offer personal support to 1,000 people. Instead, for $99 a month, I only need 50 people. I can comfortably offer real support in small groups to 50 people, and that would be enough to sustain Angular Nation and me. It would also allow me to focus on creating a fabulous personal Angular experience for those 50 people. For me, focusing on those 50 people would be much better than 1,000 people paying me $5 a month. So let's try this. There will be 5 channels with 5 different topics that you can choose from, and each channel will meet live the same day and time at least 3 times per month. More details will be coming, but for now, here are our 5 premium spaces. The architect space, if you want to talk about your Angular architecture live with an Angular GDE. Career space, for anyone looking for a better job or anyone who wants to be a GDE. Expert space, where we invite the Angular team, the Cypress team, StackBlitz, RxJS core team, etc., where you can meet them live, ask questions, offer feedback, and network. The manager space, a continuation of our original Managers Lounge channel, a place for tech managers to compare notes, trade solutions, and commiserate about common challenges. And the support space, which we kicked off this week and which I highly recommend for anyone who needs support, especially with focus, productivity, and feeling motivated. All of these spaces are excellent places to connect, network, and meet people a lot like you. These premium spaces will each cost $99 a month or $9.99 for a year. And don't forget, everything costs extra on iOS because the Apple Store charges 30%. If you want to join more than one channel, that's encouraged. Going forward, I'll offer occasional bundle discounts for multiple channels. And yes, Tim, also team discounts. Have your people call my people. For today, I'm very excited to kick this off with the bundle of all bundles. Remember, at this price, I only need 50 people. So I'm offering this special bundle only for the first 50 people, and I'm calling it the Founders All Access Pass. For the first 50 people only, you can get access to all 5 premium spaces for the price of 1. After 50, there will be many more bundle discounts, but once these passes are gone, you will not be able to access all 5 premium spaces at this very low price ever again. If you've been paying for our experts channel and or contributing to our Patreon, please ping me if you'd like an exclusive free trial offer that is only available for you. Speaking of free, I want to give a special shout out to Tom Eustace for keeping the free beginners channel going while I was offline. Most of our free community channels come and go, but the beginners channel will stay for sure. And I hear Tom is still hosting free Q&As every month for beginners. So big thanks to Tom and Aquila in the beginners channel, plus Edward Thompson, Sonder Alias, Aristides Pampakos, all of our Patreon supporters, and of course, AG Grid for helping keep our community free. Some of you might be interested in joining our premium spaces, but not quite ready to commit yet. That's okay. I know some of you are also waiting on my 6-week Angular Architect training course, and I'm back at work now, so it will be coming soon. I'll be back here with updates and more details for both about my architect training and what's going on inside the premium spaces in the coming weeks. For today, I'm here to let you know that all 5 premium spaces are officially open. If you'd like a Founders All Access Pass, one-time only limited opportunity to get all 5 premium spaces for the price of one, grab one quick because there are well over 5,000 people in Angular Nation, but only 50 Founders All Access Passes available. See you soon.